Welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to convert from one unit to another unit for the temperature. So I wanted to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So I'll use Celsius, and I will color code this as. And I wanted to convert to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit. So this is my Fahrenheit. I will use the color code as green. So I wanted to convert the numbers from Celsius to Fahrenheit. There is no numbers now. I will generate the numbers using the function which is called as rand between. So rand between, open the bracket. My lower limit will be, for example, I wanted to keep the lower limit as 80 and my upper limit is 200. So I wanted to generate the approximate numbers between 80 to 200. I will drag the formula so that I will get some random numbers so that I can calculate from Celsius to Fahrenheit. What I will do is I will copy the numbers and I will paste as values. Now it doesn't contain the formula. It is just as plain numbers. And to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, I will use the function which is called as convert. Open the bracket. Select the number which you wanted to convert. So once I use the comma, you will see there are many units which are shown. I need to select the unit which I wanted to convert. So in this particular case, the unit of conversion is for temperature. I have to select Celsius. Let us see where exactly the Celsius is. Yeah, degree Celsius. Once I select the option for degree Celsius, what I have to do is I have to just press the tab key so that it will take the unit as Celsius. So it has taken the Celsius unit. Now I wanted to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. I have to use comma again. It is asking me to select the unit which you wanted to convert. I wanted to convert to Fahrenheit. So I'll select degree Fahrenheit, which is capital F, and I will press the tab key and close the bracket. You have the formula. So the formula is very simple. You need to use the convert function and you have to select the number which you wanted to convert, and this is the unit which you wanted to convert from, and this is the target unit. So these two units are basically used for the temperature conversion, which is for Celsius and Fahrenheit. And I have the result. So 100 degrees Celsius is 212 Fahrenheit. If I drag the formula, I will get the values for the Fahrenheit. So 96 degrees Celsius is 204.8 Fahrenheit. I have got the result for all the numbers. Now what I will do is I will convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So I will copy the Fahrenheit and Celsius heading. I will generate some random numbers. I am generating the random numbers because I don't want to type the numbers. So I'll use rand between, and my lower limit is, I will keep my lower limit as 250 and comma, the upper limit will be 450. Let me use 499. So between 250 to 499, it is getting generated. The numbers are getting generated. So I'll copy the formula for other cells. So the lower limit is 250 and the upper limit is 499. Between these two numbers, it has to generate some numbers randomly. So I got the 481, which is in between 252, 499. I will drag the formula for other cells. I will have some random numbers generated. What I will do is I'll copy these numbers and I will paste as values so that I don't have the formula anymore. Now, this is just plain numbers now. It doesn't have any formulas. If I wanted to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius, I have to use the convert function again. Convert, open the bracket, select the number. So I need to select the unit as Fahrenheit. Let me select the unit as Fahrenheit, and I need to use the tab key so that Fahrenheit gets selected, which is nothing but the capital F, which represent the Fahrenheit, and comma. So it is asking me again to which unit you wanted to convert. From Fahrenheit to Celsius I wanted to convert. So I will select the C and close the bracket. So 408 Fahrenheit is 20.89 Celsius. I will drag the formula. So I'll get the result for the Celsius. So in this way, you will be able to convert the temperature, the unit of temperature from one unit to another unit. Either it is Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.